Sometimes we're just not blessed by the Wi-Fi gods, and we lose our Wi-Fi connection with our X32. And when it's an X32 rack, things get dicey. You don't have control over the faders at front of house or monitor world. You can't mute effects in between songs. Cats and dogs living together, it's chaos. So now you're thinking, what's the solution? And the answer to that is a hardwired connection to the back of your router. I'll show you what I mean. And this is an RJ45 to Lightning. I think it's Lightning. It connects to your iPad. So Ethernet in, iPad connection comes out. This one's called a Giochem. I don't know. I bought these off Amazon and it couldn't have been more than $15. I'll write in the description below how much they cost. And then this one, the BENFEI, is RJ45 to USB-C. So it just hooks up to my computer. So if you're having serious problems with your Wi-Fi connectivity at your gig, grab one of these adapters, plug it directly into your router via one of the LAN ports, and you will get a hardwired connection. Just so you know I'm not lying, I'll show you on my stuff. Here's how I'm gonna kinda do this. As you can see, there is no Wi-Fi connection to this iPad. I got my Ethernet to iPad converter right here, and this Ethernet cord is running directly to my X32, which is in the rack right behind the camera. That's going right to my router. I am plugging that into my iPad, and we'll see what happens. We're gonna go to connect, synchronizing, and all with no Wi-Fi. The only caveat is that you are tethered to your router. I know you can't hear what's coming out of the front of house if you're side stage with an X32 rack mixing a show, but this connection is better than no connection at all. So I'd rather have this than nothing. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'd love to make this channel better and look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching.